Hi, in this video, I'm going to implement a stack abstract data types from scratch. Okay, so we just have to create the class, for example, stack. And I'm just going to have an init. It's going to be the constructor with the self as usual. And we just have to create a stack named one-dimensional array. Okay, we can define isEmpty method that, for example, it's going to return whether that stack is empty or not. So it's going to return the boolean value true or false. We just have to check whether the given stack is equals to an empty array or not. Okay, so if it is equal to an empty array, it returns true, which means that the given stack is empty. Otherwise, it returns false, which means that the stack is not empty. Okay, then we will have the most two important methods concerning stacks, the push and the pop. Okay, with the push, we keep pushing, so inserting items into this one-dimensional array. So we just have to say that the self.stack, we keep appending the given item. We have to define the item or the data we would like to insert. Then we have the pop method. So pop with the self, because stack has a LIFO structure. The last item we insert is going to be the first item we take out. Okay, so the pop is going to get the data. So self.stack, and if we call them -1 index, it's going to return the last item. So if we have the -1, it's going to be the last item in the array. Okay, and what's most important, that we have this pick method as far as stacks are concerned, which is going to return the last item we have inserted without removing it from the stack. So here we just have to return to the self.stack and -1, and we can define the size method. For example, size stack is going to return the length of the self.stack, so it's going to return how many items does this stack contain. So I would like to first of all instantiate the stack, then I would like to push, for example, 1. I would like to push 2, push 3, okay? And I would like to print out the size of the stack, so size stack method. Okay, I would like to print out the pop, and I would like to call the pop method. Okay, I would like to call the pop method again, then I would like to print out the size of the stack. And before printing out the size again, I would like to call the stack.pick method, and maybe I'm going to print it again. So I would like to pick, maybe I'm going to print that we call the pick method just to make sure that it's going to be straightforward and what's happening in the background. Okay, and let's run python stack.py. First we push 1, we push 2, we push 3, so the size of the stack is going to be 3. Then we keep popping the items because stack abstract data type has a LIFO structure. The last item we have inserted will be the first item we take out. So that's why 3 is going to be pulled out, 2 is going to be pulled out. And that's why the size is going to be 1, because we had 3 items, but we have pulled out 2 of them. Okay. Then we pick the item which is going to be the where one, but we are not going to renew it. And that's why the size is going to be unchanged. So this is how we implement. The stack abstracts data type with the help of one-dimensional array. Basically, we have 3 important methods: push, pop, and pick. Push is going to insert the items onto the stack. Pop is going to remove the last item we have inserted. And pick is going to return the where of the last item we have inserted without removing it. So it's not going to change the structure of the stack. So that's all about the stack abstract data type. Thanks for watching.